In this video, I will be showing you how to use Asana for task management. So the first thing to do is to go to your Asana account, and you can see here we have options on the left side. To start, of course, you have to create a new project. You just have to click this plus icon, click this blank project here, and then type project name. Let's just say my team and I are working on a YouTube channel about travel and adventure. So you can type it here. And then we have privacy. You can choose private or public. Of course, I want to click public. For layout, you can have list, board, timeline, calendar. Choose the one that fits to your project. For me, I want to choose list because I like this layout and it's more clearer than any other layouts for me. Okay, to start, you have to add or enter any task here so that you can assign this task to any of your members or team members. Okay, if you look at the other layouts, you can just simply tap any of the following here. So we have board, timeline, calendar, and dashboard. But let us focus on the list layout. So I have here samples of task name. It's up to you if you're going to copy this one or you can create your own. So these are the samples: channel concept, branding, equipment, content, editing, SEO, and promotion. So to start with our tasking or task management using Asana, so you just have to tap the name of the task here and then click the email address of the teammate or their name, and then also the due date of when they're going to submit or this task should be done. Okay, so you just have to tap this one, the human icon here, and then select their email address and then due date. You can do this to all of your tasking here. Okay, so make sure that your teammate is using their valid email address or they're using this email address so that this message will pop up or they will be notified with their tasking. Okay, so once done, in order to complete this task or to make it clear for them, you can simply tap the name or the tasking, and this one will pop up, and this is the name of the tasking. You can add something to this task to make it more clearer, or you can add instruction or note. For example, you want the concept to be enticing, to be captivating, something like that. And then once you're done with this, you can simply go to description. Okay, for the description, you can simply type anything, of course, related to this task name, channel concept, and branding. Okay, so this is an example. You can copy this one or you can create your own. Okay, so this is just a sample. And actually, you can edit here, like you can make it bold, italic, underline. You can even add a link or URL to your description. Okay. And then you can add subtask. That means if you assign this task to someone, you can add another task to your another member. So that is what we call subtask. And it will appear to them or to their email address. And then once you're done, you can also add or write something in this comment. You can say leave a feedback or say something if there's any concerns or any improvement, and then click or tap comment. You can do this to other tasking here. Okay, so another is if you're going to tap this like equipment and filming. If you're going to tap this one, you can see here the title, right? Okay, you can add project instruction, you can add description. Now, if you're tired of typing or something like that, explaining something, you can tap this icon to just record or do screen recording. If you don't want to type, if you're tired of typing and you just want to explain the instruction or description using your laptop or your video, you can just simply do that here and then it will pop up directly to this side. Once you're done with your screen recording, you can see it right here. Okay, you can mark it as complete if this person, Samuel, has completed his task. Okay, so the third we have here, you can do the same thing, and actually you can add or attach file, okay, from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive. And the best thing about Asana is everything is here. You can add, forms. You can even add tools like Zoom, Google Meet if you want to have or conduct a meeting. You can use or add Zoom or Google Meet and it will appear right here. So that's how amazing Asana is. Everything is here. So you just have to connect to Zoom and then allow this one, and then you can use Zoom in your Asana as well as your Google Meet if you want. So that's how easy it is to use Asana for task management. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.